Hello everyone, today we're going to cover story number 8 from One Story a Day for Beginners and Kids. سڵاوتان لەبێتۆم کاتتان باش ئەمڕۆ چیرۆکی هەشتم لە زنجیرەی ڕۆژە و چیرۆکێک دەخوێنینەوە. It seems we have an argument between blue and red. دەمەتەقەیەکمان هەیە لە نێوان ڕەنگی شین و سوور. سوور دەڵێ hey, watch out. Hey, ئاگادار بە. So, the title of the story is Colors, Rangakan, and the story begins this way. Chirokakash bam shaza despedaka. One day, red and blue were arguing about which color is the best. Surushin damataqambu darbare ka kam ranga bashtrina. Red said, I get all the attention. من سرنجي هموان بلاي خم دار عدكش. Blue said, I am the color of the sea. شيني جوتي من جرنجي دريام. All of a sudden, red spilled on to blue. Red spilled on to blue. لنكاو رنجي سور خوي رج بسر رنجي شيندا. كبلي خوي بسر داچشا. Purple was born. Mor لدايق بو. لنزامي خو بسر دارش ندا لهردوچان رنجي مور لدايق بو. From then on, لوكات بدواوا, they both agreed that purple was their favorite color. هردوچان ركوتن كا رنجي مور رنجي دلخوازي هردوچانا. So now you let me know what is your favorite color and why. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I'll catch you in the next story.